Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm gonna talk about Node.js in 2025. First of all, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and also hit the thumbs up button below to support the channel. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Different of front-end, where the only programming language with real job market adoption is JavaScript, in backend you can find a range of different programming languages, which can make it difficult to choose one. In 2024, I saw a huge growth in the number of opportunities for backend developers using Node.js, especially when we talk about international roles. So if you are looking for a remote job opportunity that pays you in dollar or even moving to another country, Node.js can be the right choice for you in 2025, especially for those who already use JavaScript for front end, as they are already familiar with the language, and learning Node.js they can become full stack developers and have access to even more opportunities in the job market. But it is worth to mention that at the time of this video, JavaScript is the most used programming language in the world. This way you have a large number of roles available, but also a great competition, benefiting those who have more experience or skills in the stack. Therefore, one last tip is to learn backend with a language that you are more familiar with, or a language that you are more interested in. For example, if you already use Kotlin and Java for native Android development, it would be an easier and more interesting way to learn Spring Boot and use Kotlin and Java for backend development instead of learn a new language such as JavaScript. I hope you have enjoyed. See you next video.